Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Impressa F7 espresso machine. Now for this machine we have to replace a hose. This one you see right here, as it was having troubles rinsing and doing other functions of the machine. This one right here, as you can see right here, there is a piece of metal stuck between it. We had to replace the entire hose. And right now the machine now is rinsing properly and just doing everything that it's supposed to. As you can see, nice rinsing cycle coming out of the machine. Really moves back and forth without no issues. And it looks clean. No leaks coming out from the thermal blocks or from the membrane. That's one of the great things that we did on the machine. Last time it was here, and now we can test the hot water valve of this machine as well. Nice hot water. Okay, this is another angle. This is what we replaced last time the machine was here. As you can see, no water or anything coming out from anywhere on the system. Water is getting pushed from the water tank all the way to the thermal block out into this cup right here. And as you can see, no leaks or anything. So let's do a test shot. Okay, now let's do a test shot of espresso. Grinder over here is going to be grinding those beans going into that brew unit that you see right there. The motor is going to spin it down all the way, compressing that ground coffee that we just grinded. Then it's going to shoot water all through the system, going all the way into the this spout. Now we just cleaned this grinder, so this is the first shot that we do. It's gonna ask us for beans and stuff, so we can just dump that straight out and do it again. Now it's gonna grind the correct portion of beans. As I say, we just cleaned the grinder, so any build up over there was just completely gone. And there you go. Now it's going to pressurize properly and extract the way it's supposed to. Nice flow coming out of the spouts. Gonna stop it right here as the customer has set the volume of the cup to be higher than 2 ounces. And there you have it. As you can see, machine is working the way it's supposed to. No leaks. Rinsing. Working fine. So there you have it. Jura Impressa F7 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.